Hey everybody, Ricky here with Apple Valley Farm and OT2 Games. Hey, I'm making some tiny cornhole boards today, and I'm drilling the holes. And so just in case you guys are thinking about making your own, let me show you real quick what I do, just in case you want to do something similar. You can make your own. Let me show you how, okay? Right, so a little bit about what we're using, what we're doing. I'm using MDF today. I know a lot of you don't like MDF. It's a really stable material and it's really smooth kind of right out of the gate, so it saves me a lot of time on sanding. Plus it paints up really well. So if I'm doing something where I'm painting and I'm not like staining or burning or something like that, MDF is good. So I'm using MDF. I've already got my center of my hole marked off. I'm going to be using just a simple clamp, breaking out the old corded Ryobi drill with a 35mm Fortson bit. Then we're also going to be using this little jig that I made up, and this is just a 1x12 with some MDF on here, so it'll show me right where to put this on here. I'm going to clamp it in place to my work table, then I'll use the drill, drill it, it'll be done. There we go, here we go. Everybody, that's it. Thank you very much for hanging out with us. Thanks a lot for letting us show you this. It's not really that complicated, is it? But you never know. You might have to walk through it step by step, because some people just kind of learn visually like that. So if you're one of those people, hey, I hope this helps you out. Have any questions? Give me a shout. Look us up at applevalleyfarmga.com. And if you have any questions, maybe send us an email at info@applevalleyfarmga.com. Or hit us up on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, yada, yada, yada. Let us know whatever we can do for you. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. Go make something. Hey guys, thank you so much for supporting the work that we do here at Apple Valley Farm and OT2 Games. Hey, to watch our latest video, make sure you click right up here. And to subscribe to our YouTube channel, it will change your life, of course. Make sure you click right down here. Thank you. Have a great day. Go make something. Have fun.